The Philippine economy grew by 6.3% in the second quarter of the year, according to the Philippine Statistics Authority. This figure accelerated from the revised 5.8% growth in the previous quarter as the government spending surged. The second quarter gross domestic product growth placed well within the government's 6 to 7% target for the year. This was the highest expansion since the 6.4% growth last year. The Philippine Statistics Authority attributed the expansion to the construction sector, which grew by 16%.
Is it good or bad? Globalization fosters economic growth by expanding markets and increasing trade opportunities, which can lead to job creation and improve standards of living. It promotes cultural exchange, allowing people to experience and appreciate diverse traditions, foods, and ideas from around the world. Is cultural exchange a good thing? Or it might lose the national identity of one country because bigger countries might dominate and overshadow the local tradition and culture.
We interview people from different employment sector about their views on the impact of globalization to the society and the world.
First, we interview Mr. Peter Parmicano, a USTP instructor.
Sa globalization? The primary impact sa globalization is the modernization of the world. Evidenced by fast-paced movement of goods, people, communication, and technology. Nara kasi short ang when we talk about impact, that impact. Modernization guys,
Yes.
no other.
Next, we interview Mrs. Glenda Espinosa Dumaki, a sales personnel from Motormate Group of Companies.
Hi ma'am, good morning. I'm Ernest Reyes the First. I'm from USTP and I'm here to interview about the impact of the globalization. First, may I know your name, ma'am?
Okay, good morning. My name is Glenda Espinosa Dumaki. Isa na ko sa sales manager na nagdala sa kanang Motormate ng mga branches. So sa kanang business na side, ano siguro, sa pagkakaroon mo, daga na kayo mga spare parts business. So, daga na kayo spare parts business diri sa kanang Cagayan de Oro, sa city na to. So, as to sa kuan, kung if ever na, or nahitabo naman niya, daga na kayo ng nanulod na mga another nga mga kanang business na, for example, sa mga China man, di ba, dahil na kayo natukod diri. So, usa sa kanang impact is ang kanang sa ato ang market share. Okay, so, ibalik, dahil na kayo naka-share sa ato ang market. So, syempre mo gamay ang ato ang sales, pero as to sa kuan, sa yahang quality, dili ka assure sa ilahang kung quality bagid ang ilahang baligya or ginaano.
So may hapon kuya, ako din si Miguel from Coybebal. I'm from USTP sa Korean campus and I'm here for an interview. So may I know about some information about you?
Miguel, ako dahil si Amit Pilayos, no? Isip ko sa taxi driver. Sa akong experience sa isip ko sa taxi driver din sa Cagayan de Oro, dili sa yun. Apan kay tuod man kung kailangan ginato nga paningkamutan labi na kay nagrenta man ta ani no. Ang atong renta ani Gil is 1,000 a day. Nya motobil pa ta. So mukita gid ta og more than 10 katao para makasustain kita sa matag adlaw kay tuod man ang atong presyo sa gasolina karon murag halos tagaliog yun di gid mabangbang no ang mo lagi na niya usahay maatlan pata sa traffic pero tuod man karon kay medyo naka ginagmay ta karon kay tungod kay atong weather ulan-ulan man diha ra gid ang maka sustain ang atong kaigsuonan nga mga driver no susama nako unta pod nga kami mapan pod mi nga mudagdag unta mi og plitian unta.
Thank you, sir. So, mga
Salamat.
Next, we interview Ma'am Elsa, who is a fruit vendor.
Maayong hapon, ma'am. Ay, pwede may makabalon sa iyong pangalan?
Ako si Saguro sa Sinapsiko na
Okay. So, na lang nanta may question, ma'am. Like, unsa daw ang impact sa globalization sa atong syudad ug sa kalibutan?
Para sa ako, ang impact ng globalization dito sa kalibutan is ayon man na ay good o na ay bad sa mga export para padulong sa ato may mga product pero napoy uban nga mga negative side tungkol sa kanang mga products bitaw nga makadala og mga virus, mga bacteria. Then kita po export para sa laing nasod makainitan po sa po ang mga farmers. Then about sa mga baligya sa among mga baligya dani is man po siya na competition ba din na maka-earn og much money, more income ang mga farmers about sa kanang ilang mga product o sa kanang competition.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
In the Philippines, globalization has far-reaching impacts across different professions, influencing various aspects of work, economic condition, and career growth. For example, vendors. Vendors can have access to diverse products but faces market saturation and price sensitivity.
On the other hand, drivers gives an avenue to better vehicle access, yet faces fluctuating fuel prices and higher operating costs. Whereas for public employee, improve public services but faces societal pressure for better performance.
And lastly, for private employee, can have access to global markets but increased competition and demand of higher productivity.
Globalization offers benefits like increased job opportunities, access to new markets and products, technological advancement, but however, it also brings challenges to different fields of works. Adapting to these changes is essential for thriving in globalization environment, but can potentially have a longer time of adjustment.